In this video, I'm going to show you how to replay chart in GoCharting. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up any of the charts on GoCharting.com, and then you want to click on the replay feature at the very top where it says bar replay. Click on that, and then this is going to pop up. Now there's a bunch of things you have to do over here. So first, you want to go to your graph over here, and you can just basically using your left click navigate to the left or to the right, or up and down of course, and then you'll be able to basically just double click to select the candle where you want to start on replay mode. So for example, let's say I want to start over here on basically Tuesday 19th of August. So I'm going to double click. There we go, the chart jumped over here, and then what you're going to have to set is basically how many seconds per bar you want to have. So for example, I'm going to do, let's say I'm going to do 0.7 seconds per bar, and then over here where it says calendar, you can use that feature as well, or you can just click on start, and it's basically going to start your chart, and it's just going to start replaying. If you actually want to come to the present time, so the current actual moment, click on this button over here, and you're going to get transported over here, basically to the very end. It's going to fast forward the graph, and then you'll now be in the present time, and this is going to close down. And of course, then this button over here, you can just close the bar replay with this button. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.